I'm back. Now we'll go to see the back of the house. We've painted this wall so many times and we're not sure if the colour's always good, but it's clean anyway. These are other pots. This is the fish tank, and we've got euphorbias growing out of our ears. I don't know if the fish are there, they're probably hiding. There they are. Bit hard, too close. We had a little frog, but it's not here this year. And that's our tall. This pear trees. It's not a real, it's an ornamental pear. Or a Manchurian, not sure. And this thing is flowering. I'll try and get out of the sun and take a close-up of the flowers. It's another tree which is very spindly. And this rock's interesting. It's growing everything in here. It's got all those little fat cacti growing in there. I've pulled out some babies and made more ones. They're quite big on the other side. And that's the birch. Finally the trunk's gone white. Oh, and it's too sunny up there. The veggie patch. The stairs. Clothesline. Statues that we haven't painted. Next door's got big oleanders and a shed. That's our shed. And the chooks. Probably can't see it. This one's a cheeky one. It's quiet. It usually makes a oh. Have a look. Come here. Come on. You don't like parsley, do you? Eat the parsley. Broad beans. Veggie patch is really empty at the moment. It's not nice tomato blowing in the wind. Some vacuums everywhere. Probably feels a bit funny walking through here. I'll turn around again. It's the studio. That's what it looks like from this side. There's a chicken. There's always a mess at the back here. This is supposed to be Espalier olive, but it goes too high up there. Next door neighbour's got a nice native. It's probably hard to see. I don't know why I pick windy days to take videos, but it's sunny. So in here, it's very private. From the other side it's not. And I've got a rose here that we got off one of the ladies we used to do the gardening. Hopefully it'll flower. I don't have any sunny spot to put it in. That's the tree. My dangles here. They're getting caught. Oops. And this one. And the pond again. And the nest. So birds have put a nest in that yucca. Oh, maybe I can see if there's any birds in there. Too high. It's the back. My little things that I'm trying to grow here. This is one of them. I really like these ones though. They're my favourites. I'm trying to start new ones. And these too. But yeah, I like these. Hope they fill up like the other ones. That's in the kitchen. We got this ladder, an old ladder leaning here. And got more yuccas in here. It's hard to really visualise them. But look at the girth on that one. It's massive. I can't believe it grew in that small section. Oops, I think the battery's going. Better oh, hello. We got a mirror. I didn't know what to do with it, so I put it here. And bamboo, which doesn't really grow much here because it gets burnt. And that tank, an old-fashioned tank, some lead light that Andrew did. And Andrew loves these, what are they called? Bird's nests, I think. And that's it. It's the backyard. And it's always messy on the ground. So I spend all my days when I'm here sweeping. I better turn it off now, Charles.